In today's video, you'll discover 10 lucrative passive income ideas in just 10 minutes. Let's get started. By generating income with minimal ongoing effort, you can create a sustainable financial future. We will explore 10 innovative passive income ideas that can help you build wealth over time. Implementing these strategies not only enhances your financial stability, but also provides the opportunity for greater flexibility and peace of mind. Join us as we uncover these valuable insights to empower your financial journey. And don't forget to show your support by subscribing to the channel. Affiliate marketing is the first passive income method. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model where individuals earn commissions by promoting products or services from other companies. The basic principle involves selecting a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise, then finding suitable affiliate programs that offer relevant products. Once you have chosen your niche, effective promotional strategies such as content marketing, social media engagement, and email campaigns can help you reach your target audience. By leveraging these methods, you can successfully market affiliate products and generate passive income. Next passive income idea is starting an e-commerce business. This method requires careful planning and execution. First, it's crucial to research and validate your business ideas to ensure market demand. Once you have a viable concept, the next step is sourcing products, whether through manufacturers, wholesalers, or dropshipping, and then selecting the right selling channels, such as your own website or online marketplaces. Finally, effective strategies for listing products, including high-quality images and compelling descriptions, along with targeted marketing efforts, will help drive sales and establish your brand in the competitive e-commerce landscape. The third passive income method is to start investing in stocks. With this one, it's essential to set clear investment goals that align with your financial aspirations, whether for retirement, education, or wealth building. Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial as it helps determine your investment style, be it conservative, moderate, or aggressive. For beginners, selecting the right investment account is the next step. Consider options like brokerage accounts or retirement accounts, ensuring they offer the features and fees that suit your needs. With these foundations, you can confidently embark on your investing journey. Okay, the next idea is creating and marketing digital products. This can be a super lucrative venture. Popular types include ebooks, online courses, software, and digital art. It's vital to prioritize design and user-friendliness, as an appealing and intuitive product enhances customer satisfaction and retention. To effectively promote your digital products, employ marketing strategies such as content marketing, social media advertising, and email campaigns. Building an engaging online presence and leveraging customer testimonials can also boost visibility and credibility, ultimately driving sales and establishing your brand in the digital marketplace. Now, the next one is generating passive income through licensing creative works. This passive income idea can be a rewarding endeavor. Various types of creative works, such as music, artwork, photography, and written content, can be licensed to others for use. The process begins with creating clear contracts that outline terms and conditions, often facilitated by licensing platforms that connect creators with potential licensees. Additionally, registering your copyright is crucial for protecting your work and ensuring you can track its usage, which helps in enforcing your rights and maximizing your income potential. Next, why not think about creating a business that generates passive income? This involves automating or delegating key tasks to minimize your involvement. Suitable businesses for passive income include rental properties, e-commerce stores, and affiliate marketing ventures. To achieve this, it's essential to implement systems that streamline operations, such as using software for inventory management or hiring virtual assistants for customer service. Effective delegation and outsourcing not only free up your time, but also enhance productivity, allowing you to focus on growth while your business continues to generate income passively. Do you download apps on your mobile? Well, I'm sure you do. Everyone does. And that's why this next one can be really lucrative. So why not create and monetizing mobile applications? To do this, you'll need to begin with thorough planning and development. Start by identifying a target audience and defining the app's purpose, followed by designing user-friendly interfaces and coding the application. Once developed, consider monetization models like in-app purchases, subscriptions, or advertising to generate revenue. It's crucial to prioritize testing and ensuring app quality, as a well-functioning app enhances user experience and retention. By focusing on these steps, you can successfully launch a mobile app that attracts users and generates income. Now, for a little bit of an easier one, monetizing a blog or content platform. This passive income idea can be achieved through various strategies, including advertising, affiliate marketing, and subscription models. Implementing ads through networks like Google AdSense or offering premium content via subscriptions can generate revenue. However, the foundation of successful monetization lies in creating valuable, engaging content that resonates with your audience. To attract more viewers, promote your content through social media, email newsletters, and collaborations with other creators. By focusing on quality and effective promotion, you can build a profitable content platform. The next one has been around for some time and goes through big booms and big lows, but it's still worth a mention. So that is investing in cryptocurrencies. To do this, it will require and involves understanding key terms such as blockchain, altcoins, and wallets. Market analysis is crucial, as it helps investors monitor trends and make informed decisions based on price movements and market sentiment. To mitigate risks, diversifying your cryptocurrency investments across various coins and tokens is essential. This can include established currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as promising altcoins. By staying informed and employing strategic diversification, you can navigate the volatile cryptocurrency market more effectively and enhance your investment potential. Alrighty, we just highlighted the significance of passive income as a pathway to financial freedom and explored various ideas to help you achieve it. From affiliate marketing to digital products, these income streams offer exciting opportunities for growth. We encourage you to take action by researching and implementing these strategies in your own life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit from this content. Together, let's build a community focused on financial empowerment.